Good afternoon. I just finished going to the church. The mass just ended. And I know this is random, pero this is going to be a reflection of what I have learned about the gospel na lang din. So, the gospel talks about the signal. The signal or the connection that we have to the Lord. Si Father, sabi naman siya na paano natin papalakasin yung connection natin kay Lord, ganun. And in through many ways, paano na rin natin nare-realize na wala na tayong connection kay Lord. So, yun lang. I know this is super random, pero didiretso na lang ako kasi that's why I'm vlogging, kasi gusto ko lang din naman na ma-document ko yung life ko, especially my journey on improving my relationship with God and battling temptations that nagpapalala or nag-worse ako, especially the sins na mga dito. Yeah, I have nothing much to say, pero sige, simulan na lang natin. My faith to God is not that strong yet. Inano pa, parang pinapalakas ko pa. Kasi sa academy, our life there is discipline, schedule of calls, and may sinusunod na regulations. Not all the time, we are free. Not all the time, we have the time. Not all the time, we have the time to talk to God. Pero, if gusto, may paraan. So, in that way, nagpe-pray na lang ako ng rosary. Dedication ko na rin yun kay Mama. And until now, yun yung naging meditation ko. Mentally, spiritually, and at the same time, sa cognitive. On the other hand, even though nagaganon ako, I still fall into some flaws. Like, nagkakamali pa rin. Kasi, sino bang perfect? Wala naman. And, kahit sabihin ko na ganun ako religious, it doesn't mean na archangel na rin or angel. That's why starting now, lahat ng short lives ko, yun yung chance ko, opportunity ko na mag-rest kahit pa paano. We cannot vlog our life there kasi bawal. Social media is off limits. And through this way, nakapagsimba rin ako kahit pa paano. After how many months of not going to the church as a Catholic. Anyway, I'll just share a little bit of that, and I'm just going to see you next vlog. Kasi medyo ano lang naman ako, active. Ay, hindi naman siya active. Rest, parang siguro physical, magpahinga na lang din muna. Yeah, this church is very old na rin, kaya paborito ko rin yung mga architecture. Yun lang, and bye-bye.